Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I could show you how you could fix up a broken car mirror. In this case, on this Chevy Impala, the entire assembly has just cracked off. Now, I'm going to show you how you could fix it with some simple JB weld and duct tape. Now, before you make fun of me and say that this is some backyard mechanic repair, yeah, sure, it is. But this lasted me 2 years on this car. That's through 2 Canadian summers and winters. Okay? And besides, who knows what could happen in 2 years? The world could end within 2 years. So let's just focus on getting this car back on the road. Let's not worry about making it pretty, all right?